What's up, fellas? I want to thank you for stopping by the Quick Cutz channel. Please like and subscribe so you know we can build that lawn care and lawn service connection between one another. So, you know, if I have tips, you can get it, and if you have any, you know, we can really link up and take our business up to the next level for 2018. All right, so what we got now is some quick tips. What we're gonna do for 2018, we're gonna share some of the things that we plan on doing for 2018. One of the things we plan on doing for 2018, guess what, y'all? We have a website. That's right, you can go to Quick Cutz Lawn Care. That's one. And QuickCutLawnService.com. That's the other one. So, yep. So we have a way where you can go online and get a quote from us. And this year, we also plan on using more of the yard book capabilities. If you're not familiar with the yard book, it's an app that you can put on your phone, and hey, it's a free app, and it can do a lot. It can help you with schedules. It can help you with making sure you know how big a person's yard is before you go out and cut it. So you know how you can do Google Earth, and I encourage people to do this. Do Google Earth of a person's property, right? And then from there, understand you can map out the square feet of their yard. And if you got, let's say, you know, you cut somebody's yard with the same square feet, but you already done it before, you can pretty much give them the quote over the phone. So that's one of the things that we definitely gonna be using this 2018 cut season. You got anything, D?